Hello, my name is Irena Jusic.
Hello, my name is Maria Ray.
Hello, my name is Hiba Imam.
And we are FemTech presenting our Streams of Sound scheduling app. Our client, Streams of Sound, is a 501c3 nonprofit organization based in Jacksonville, Florida. Their mission is to use the handpan in health and wellness centers to provide healing musical sounds for all ages and demographics. To provide healing sounds to members of our community, our client relies on a paper-based system to track volunteers who've signed up to play for an event. Volunteers would either call or email our client to sign up. The FemTech team is creating a volunteer management system to simplify the process. Our client will be able to post an opportunity event on our website. This will allow their volunteers to sign up for an event that suits their schedule. Our system would simplify event management and allow volunteers to sign up seamlessly with our site.
The main requirements of this application are split into three groups. One is the volunteer, two is the staff, and three is the non-functional requirements. First, we'll go to the volunteer. The volunteer is able to create an account, sign in, sign up for an opportunity, view all opportunities, and view their signed up opportunities. For the staff, they are able to create an account, sign in, create the opportunities, edit the opportunities, delete opportunities, and archive opportunities. For the non-functional requirements, is that it's easy to use and accessible through the web.
We will now discuss the use cases and their diagrams for our project. The first use case is account management. This includes adding registration and profile management for both volunteer and staff, as well as roles and authorization.
This is the staff management use case. It goes through how a staff member creates an opportunity and how they can perform CRUD functions. It also goes through how the staff can filter, sort, and search opportunities. There is an archive list where staff can view archived opportunities. Each opportunity has shifts that volunteers will sign up for.
The use case that I did was the volunteer management use case. I was grabbing the opportunity details, confirming to sign up for an opportunity on the volunteer side. And then once they sign up, it'll push the opportunity they signed up for to a My Opportunity page. Then they are also able to cancel a signed up opportunity and give a reason to why they are canceling.
The next two slides will go through the Agile, Scrum, and Rational Unified process. This is our Jira Kanban board. Currently, we only have one user story in the development progress column. We have 3 in the quality analysis and progress column, and the rest are in the done column as they have been completed. This is our Jira Sprint 7 board. We do not currently have any to-dos as we are nearing the end of the semester, but we have multiple tasks that are in the progress currently, and many that we have completed.
Here we will show you the UML diagrams that we developed. This will be specifically for the volunteer management use case. First, we've got the activity diagram. There's the volunteer member and the steps that they can take. They are able to filter and show desired opportunities and update and display opportunities based on those filters. They can also select an opportunity and show an alert and display a sign-up form in which they can fill out the information to sign up. Once they do that, they can submit the sign up and it'll bring them to the My Opportunities page and show the added opportunity on the My Opportunities page. Next, you've got the analysis diagram. This just shows the boundaries, the controls, and entities. Specifically, if you wanted to look at opportunity sign up, you can see the volunteer ID, opportunity ID, and then what methods, such as sign up volunteer, quit sign up, and checking opening availability. And that will link to others, such as the entity of volunteer and entity of volunteer signs up for an opportunity. And then the last diagram is the sequence diagram. You are shown the volunteer and they are able to log in, they can log out, it'll validate the volunteer, submit the login page, and quit the login. And then once they sign up, they're able to display filter opportunities, view opportunity list, get opportunities with the filter, and notify volunteer of sign up. Then for the opportunity list controller, they can get opportunities and display the opportunity list and submit the sign up form.
We will now go over the ERD diagram. Our diagram currently has the opportunities which hold all of the information necessary to create an opportunity event. Additionally, it has our users table, as well as our slots. We have an opportunity slot sign up for when a user signs up for a given slot in an opportunity. And we also have a reason to cancel, which, if necessary, a volunteer can cancel their sign up to an opportunity. The technologies, platforms, and frameworks we used include the following: Microsoft Visual Studio, Microsoft Visio, Visual Paradigm, GitHub, Jira Software, Microsoft Azure, Google Drive, Balsamiq, Bootstrap, Data Tables, and SendGrid. We will now go into the demo. To begin, we will start by logging in. Both staff and volunteers will access their account by putting in their email and password. I will now be logging in with an existing staff admin account.
Right now, we are logged into the staff admin account. In the staff admin account, we have the option to create an opportunity. We also have an add instruments and time slot button. This is what the volunteers will be signing up for. And then once we press submit, it will take us to the opportunity list. This is the opportunity list. This is the opportunity that I just created. In this list, we have the option to edit or archive. Once we press edit, all of the values that I just filled out are filled out in the edit. I can change and then press save. And I will be taken back to the opportunity list. And then I can archive an opportunity. And then I will be taken to the archived opportunity list. In here, I can view the opportunity. And then these are the edits that I just made. Going back to archived opportunities, I can unarchive an opportunity, and I will be taken back to the opportunity list.
I will also be demonstrating how we can register a new staff member to the system. While already logged into an existing staff member's account, we will click the Manage Staff drop-down and go to the Add a New Staff Member page. It will take us to this form, and as an existing staff member, I will fill out this form on behalf of the new staff member that'll be joining the team. I will put in their first name, as well as their email address given to me. And I will also add their position on the SOS team. In this case, we will be adding a new manager. Once I click register, I, as an existing staff member, will get a message saying that the email has been sent to the staff member's account. I will then, as the new staff member, go to the email and click the link, and I will be redirected to this page. For security reasons, the new staff member will set their own password. And once they follow the password requirements, they will be able to create their staff password. Then, with the email and the password, they will be able to log in. And this is the admin dashboard as the new staff that we just added. When you visit our site, you will be directed to our home screen. This page contains a message provided from our client, as well as 2 images with their volunteers playing at one of their events. At the bottom of the screen, there are also 2 buttons. The Streams of Sound button takes you to their website to learn more about their organization. The second button is specifically for new incoming volunteers. Once you click this, you will be redirected to the registration page. Additionally, the registration button in the nav bar on the right-hand side also takes you to this page. Registering a new volunteer is a portion of the team's account management use case. The registration page is specifically for signing up new volunteers only. We ask for their first name, their last name, as well as instruments that they can play. For their email, they will need to provide a valid email in the correct format. They will also need to provide a password. The password requirements include having 1 alphanumeric character, an uppercase letter, and at least 6 characters in total. Once they hit the registration page, the system will create their account and redirect them to the login page.
I will be showing you how to log in as a volunteer. First, you go up to login and then put in your email and password. If you do forget your password, there is a choice to click here and it'll send over an email to restore your password. But we were going to do the login. Once you're logged in, you are displayed the welcome screen, and then you've got welcome volunteer at volunteer.com, and you can also log out. You've also got options to view an opportunity list and my opportunities. We'll go to the opportunity list. So this shows the opportunities that you've got. We will choose the first one, test for video, and click on the action of details. This shows the date and time that you're about to sign up for, the location, the description. So this could have unpaid or paid or any additional information that the staff wants to put in. their opportunities, and then you can see that you have 2 signups. One is for handpan and the other is for flute. We will sign up for the handpan. This shows a confirmation of what you're signing up for. And it's got the address, the dates, and what instrument you are signing up for. Once you click submit, it'll bring you to your My Opportunities page, and this shows what opportunity you just signed up for. Then, if you cannot make the opportunity, you can click cancel opportunity. This says, are you sure that you want to cancel, and a reason for canceling. So I will say, I will be sick, or I am sick. And you can cancel your sign up, or if something comes up and you can do it, you can just go back to your list. So we will click cancel my sign up, and it is now gone from your My Opportunities list. If we do go back to the opportunities list, you can see that your handpan is still there since you just canceled. If you did want to just sign up and you can make it, you would click submit. It goes to your My Opportunities page. Once you go back to the opportunity list, it'll show that the instrument that you just chose is gone. And you are the sole flute instrument person who's going at 4/29/2023.
In conclusion, our clients wanted certain features that would help combat their issue of scheduling events for volunteers. For instance, developing this website will allow them to advance digitally instead of handwriting each event on paper or spreadsheets. The scheduling application features are allowing staff and volunteers to manage their profiles, allow staff to create and manage the opportunities for volunteers, and have volunteers sign up for those opportunities and filter the opportunities to find certain keywords. Lessons learned. Working with Azure and how to create, deploy, and manage cloud-based applications. How to implement CRUD operations using Azure and how to use Entity Framework to interact with the database. Asking the client in-depth questions to better understand the needs and project's requirements. Creating method names that describe the process, merging before the demo date, and making sure the rest of the team is up to date with other members.
We would like to say a big thank you to John Guinta and Eric Hunt at Streams of Sound, our clients, and then our mentors, James Webb and James Blair at Feature 23, and then a big thank you to our professor, Karthik.